I'm now going to show you how to understand your System Informations menu. To access this, you're going to right-click, left-click Main Menu, left-click System, left-click Advanced, and left-click on Info. This menu lists various pieces of information about the DVR system. It is recommended to leave the device name and device ID fields at their default values. For device name, this just represents the model number of the DVR that you have. Device ID, you're going to use this field to insert the number of the DVR if you have multiple DVRs in one location. Otherwise, you just can keep this at its default. Device type, this represents the type of DVR. MAC address, this represents the unique identifier that is assigned to the DVR. The firmware version is going to represent which version of the DVR, which firmware version of the DVR that you have. You will need to refer to this information from time to time to ensure that the DVR's firmware does not need an update. Keep in mind, we have a separate video specifically for updating your firmware, and you can visit us at our website at www.nightowlsp.com to see if your DVR is ready for a firmware update. IE version, this is the Internet Explorer version that you're using. Safari plugin version, this is the Safari firmware version. And last, hardware version, this represents the hardware version of the DVR. Okay, when you're finished, you can select Apply if you've made any changes. And then you can exit out by right-clicking to your main menu. I'm now going to show you how to understand your System Informations menu. To access this, you're going to right